you want me to show you?
No.
Okay. Who are we getting? Which one are we getting next?
There. I'll go there.
Okay, you want to sit here?
Yeah.
Okay, then you sit here then. Where's your daddy sit? Oh.
Here.
Over there, okay. I'll sit in your old space then. Smile. Who's racing?
Spike and Grave Legend.
Spike and Grave Digger Legend. Who's gonna win?
Oh, look out, Grave Digger. Look out, Grave Digger.
Look out, Grave Digger.
Go squish you.
Yeah, he was going to squash him then, wasn't he? Come on. There we go. Whoa.
Yeah, winner.
Who's won?
Listen.
Grave Digger Legend. That was a quick race.
Spike's sad.
Don't be sad, Spike.
I'm first freestyle on the minute.
Yeah, you can do freestyle in a minute. So no need to be sad. Who's racing? Oh, as he fell over. Save it! Yay! Who's next? Grave Digger. And Stone Crusher.
I crashed.
Did he crash?
Look out, Grave Digger.
Look out!
That's pushing.
Yeah, you'll squash him, and then you won't be very happy because you won't be able to do freestyle.
It was just like a stone pusher.
Stone Crusher? You will get squashed. Who's racing next? How about Special Grave Digger? Who's going to race?
Special Grave Digger.
Yeah, that would be a good race.
It's been raining.
No, it's just a bit of water that came out your digger. Came out there. It came out your digger truck there. It's okay. Whoa. Go.
Racing.
Who's racing?
The giant.
The Virginia Giant. Oh, yay.
He died.
Cool.
Windy.
Windy? It's not windy.
It's cold.
It's a little bit breezy.
Really?
A little bit breezy. It's not windy really, is it? The trees aren't moving, look. Oh, it's on his nose. Doomsday. Oh, is he still in the bag?